I'm I'm honestly not sure if speaking about this will help or if it would just make it worse. But I told myself earlier, if after I do a bit of my chores, I still feel like speaking about it, I will speak about it. And now, I'm here. So, should I lose the... I look like I'm gonna report something. Like, reporting live straight from the depths of my soul back to you. Whoever it is that's waiting for my response on the other end of the line. I will see how it looks without the... I prefer this. It's not every day, so... There's a full moon today. I was supposed to talk about this while I was in the Centrum, since there are more things to see there. There are Christmas lights and Christmas trees now there, but then the lighting was bad. Also, I cannot find a good spot with a good or decent lighting, and it got colder than I expected, which is actually warm based on Finnish standards. This November has been very warm. But it was still cold to stay outside without gloves. And I didn't have gloves. Wait, I don't also have my things. Just a second. Shing. These two rings make me happy. I already recorded a bit while I was walking. I'm nervous for some reason. Maybe because I haven't really been face to face with myself for quite... I'm calling this now face to face with myself because I'm literally face to face with myself since I record using front camera, because I'm not sure if I'm gonna go out of frame. But then I don't really look at the... I sometimes do, but not... I'm getting strayed. But yeah, I will speak about it, I guess, and see how. Because by now, I think this corner of the internet has become my own public/private chemistry lab. Sometimes things explode on my face. Sometimes things go well. Sometimes there are discoveries that alter the life from that day forward. You know how it works in chemistry labs, and this is now I guess, I've been treating this corner of the internet as my chemistry lab, for better or for worse. Well, I've had an interesting discovery. And I don't know really where to begin with this. I have so many things that I am feeling, and so many things that are crossing my mind, and so many things that are grabbing my attention within my soul. And I just have one mouth. It's not very easy to have only one mouth because I feel like words are exploding through my eyes and my ears and my. Do you also exist like this? Why is it like this? Why is being human like this? I feel like I should turn the page. But yeah, I'm speaking about it, I guess. I'm scared a bit also.